Ako ba yung gago na hiniwalan ko yung boyfriend ko because he has a crush on another woman? Ano ba yan? Question pa ba yan, ate? Please excuse my words if wrong grammar or what I just wanna share or what I just wanna share my story. Pasensya na sa pagiging marupok. Oy, binigyan na tayo ng heads up, marupok daw siya. Okay. About our history, we were grade 10 high school sweetheart before COVID happened. But our relationship became patchy since long distance relationship was not his thing. So we continued our relationship mostly online based by messaging and video calls. Till senior high school, till college came. It's been weeks since I blocked him already recently. Nasasaktan pa din ako dahil 6 years yung pinagsamahan namin. I'll tell my story. Pero yun na nga, ever since 2022, first year college, naging crush niya si, let's call her Marimar. Marimar! Ow! I got depressed when I found out about it. Pero he reassured me na walang ibang meaning yon. Naastigan lang siya kasi matalino daw at magaling sa school, and yes, nasa nursing school silang dalawa. Till may kutob na ako nakakaiba. My gut was telling me to check his phone and have his account. Then ayun nakita ko na he's been messaging her about how her state was or if there's anything he needs. He? Then sa ibang friends niya naman, lagi niyang sinasabi na nalulungkot siya kasi hindi niya nakikita si crush and he keeps telling them how much he admires her. These friends knew that he had me. So in short, your girl got depression after this and this is when I became very insecure at myself. I broke up with him. We didn't talk for a week. Yun pala, he was pursuing her already. My goodness. But I guess she turned him down. Wala pa akong alam dito. Second year to fourth year college, we became okay again and gave him multiple chances. Till I suddenly have another gut to check his phone. They're friends sa Facebook and she's always in his search bar. Oh my gosh. Siyempre doon hinarap ko na siya. Na bakit ganon? Why is she in his Facebook search bar? Nang lumo na naman ako, I made him spill the words I needed to hear. Turns out he still has a crush on her for 2 years. I was devastated and deeply hurt when I found out. I didn't talk to him for 2 weeks this time. Pero itong si Capre, Capre talaga, pero itong si Capre, sinuyo na naman ako and gave me promising words. So another marupok moment, pero this time, my trust for him was fading already. Di pa ba nag-fade nung... No, ewan ko. He reassured me na that meant nothing now because he genuinely loves me. So I made him block her on Facebook and all social media. Pinagsawalang bahala ko na naman kutob ko. Till last year, where everything even was crystal clear. 2025 October. This was supposed to be our anniversary month, pero nag-away kami. I started the fight. Why? Turns out he's not only now friends with her, but he hangs out with her and her friends. They now follow each other in all social media platforms again, behind my back. I was shocked, of course. It felt like my trauma came back because we were already okay till I found out she's in the picture again. I asked him if he can unfriend her, unfollow her, and block her. He kept asking why because he doesn't see any reason to do that because she is his friend. He kept changing the subject, but I was not backing down. We kept arguing the whole day till he suddenly said the sentence, I'm sorry that you're an insecure person. Like, what the fuck? Then he said that he wanted to break up because I don't trust him again daw. Wala na daw siyang nararamdaman sa kanya, pero ayaw ko daw maniwala. Like, it made me believe that he chose to save another woman's well-being than the girl he loves. My depression came back and I cried all night. We were no longer talking on this part. Till 1 week after, he reaches out again to reaches out again to me asking how I'm doing. He said he can't move on from me because he misses me a lot. He still wanted to continue the relationship but didn't want to unfriend her. I just had it. With all of my might and pain, I blocked him from my own sanity. For my own sanity. We then didn't talk for about 3 months. January 2026 came, he messaged me on TikTok. Your dumbass girl forgot to block him on TikTok, begging to start over again because he realized his mistake. He blocked her on Instagram and Facebook so I could talk to him freely. I didn't give in. I was really done with the pain he gave for the past years already. After talking to each other for the whole week, I made the decision to fully block him out of my life for good. Then days later, I heard from a friend of mine that he now follows Marimar again in all social media platforms. Then my friend sent me a picture of my ex sitting in a table together with Marimars and her friends at an event, looking all happy, etc. Speak of regret my ass. I dodged a bullet on this one. I just regret that I made this longer than it should have been. Alam din ni Marimar na nag-i-exist ako. So ako ba yung gago if hiniwalayin ko yung ex kong may crush sa kaklase? Hay, nako. Masyado mong pinatagal. Like, ang dami ng ano, oh. Kumbaga parang sa kahit anong relationship naman, pag yung partner mo dun sa relationship is biglang may crush sa iba, yun na dapat yung reason to let it go. Kasi dapat hindi naman magkakaroon ng crush yung ka-relationship mo or yung partner mo kung bina-value niya talaga na dapat ikaw lang talaga. 'Di ba? Ikaw lang talaga dapat yung tinitignan, binibigyan ng attention, tsaka kumbaga parang wala ka naman na dapat affection or feelings towards other people kasi you're already taken. Parang masyado naman na kasi in your face. How many more pa na in your face bago mo ma-realize na either ginagamit ka lang niya. Actually, maganda nga tong plot ng story na parang kailangan mo lang ba ako dahil mahal mo ko? O mahal mo ko dahil kailangan mo ko? Mga ganon! Mga ganong litanya kasi sasabihin niya, humihingi siya ng chance makipagbalikan, tapos gagaguhin ka ulit, tapos kapag naghiwalay kayo, babalik na naman siya sa'yo, tapos gagaguhin ka na naman niya ulit, kasi you allow, aside pa dun sa fact na you allow that to happen to yourself na rin. Siguro yung mga first na, kunwari, nagkamali, baka pwede pang pagbigyan, di ba, mga second chances, ganon. Pero if there's another chance after the second chance, mga third, fourth, actually you're the one at fault na kasi you are letting it happen. You are enabling this kind of behavior. Kahit masakit, matagal kang nauntog, matagal kang nalugmo, matagal kang nagising sa katotohanan. Pero what I'm proud of is nag-stand talaga siya ng ground niya na ayaw na niya talaga. Baga para siguro nagsisisi din siya na ang tagal-tagal ko nagpakatanga, ang tagal-tagal ko naging bulag. Pero yon, at least 'di ba nagising siya, nauntog siya na parang ito naman din si Marimar, no? Kung alam mo naman, Marimar, may girlfriend, bakit mo naman ini-entertain? You like the attention? You like what? Marimar! Ow! Get ow! Ganon. So, parang kumbaga lahat sila dito, hindi naman gago si ate, no? Si ating nag-post. Pero gago siya sa part na nakipagbalikan pa rin siya. Na marami kasing taong mabigat sa kanila tong word na to. Ito. High school sweetheart. Masyado nilang hino-hold. Ako galing din ako doon. Pero hindi sa high school sweetheart. But meron akong pinanghahawakan na reason kung bakit ako nagsistay pa sa relationship. Pero sa totoo lang, hindi na talaga ako masaya. Hindi na ako tinatratong ng tama. Pero I'm still holding on to that reason kung bakit hindi ko siya mahiwa-hiwalayan. So, ganun din dito. Kasi nanghihinayang most of us because, oy, childhood sweetheart, sayang naman. Or parang, grabe, ang tagal nyo nang magkakilala, tapos maghihiwalay pa kayo, sayang naman. Sayang naman ang pinagsamahan ninyo, tagal-tagal nyo na. 'Di ba? Laging may bigat, may weight yung ganong klaseng statement na sayang naman. Actually, hindi siya sayang. Hindi sayang, nadapa ka lang. It's just a phase. You can move on. Siyempre, masakit. Hindi naman natin invalidate na masakit. Pero, hindi siya yung, hindi yan dapat yung maging reason kung bakit ka matatali into depression or into despair just because you're holding on to something na parang gawa-gawa lang ng mga tao, gawa-gawa lang ng society na parang sayang naman. Sayang ang buhay mo if you keep on, staying. So, yun. Ano bang comments ito mga to? So, sabi dito, di ka gago, it's about time, girl. I can't believe how many times you were shocked, quote and quote, by the same scenario. Good thing nakipaghiwalay ka na because obviously he's not really that into you. So sabi dito, he reassured me that meant nothing now because he genuinely loves me. Ito yung mga pang-hook. Mga pang-hook sa relationship eh. He genuinely loves me. Which means before this, he doesn't genuinely love you. So tama lang ginawa mo. Yes, you're right po. Ngayon lang talaga ako nagising na enough is enough. Enough is enough. Never, never. Di ka gago for breaking up with him, pero gagong-gago ka for forgiving and getting back at him every time when he's clearly not into you. Yes, nagsisisi naman din siya. Yes, yun din talaga ang mali ko dahil ang dami ko pong what ifs. Ito nakasira ng utak, what ifs. Pero now, wala na akong regret. I gave my all. He was just not the right person. Thanks for this. Panindigan mo na yung desisyon mo. Pag nalungkot na naman yung ex mo dahil kay Marimar, magpaparamdam na naman yan for sure. Hindi ka option lang. Aray! Aray ko! Ginawa ka lang na option. Oh my gosh. You're not the only option. You're just one of the options. Sakit! Ano ba yan? Ekis. Di ka gago. Hello, te. Wala ka bang friends na nakakaltukan ka? Grabing disrespect na ginagawa sa'yo, oh. Buti natauhan ka na kasi clearly gusto ka lang niyang backup in case na hindi sila mag-work ng crush niya. Gusto niya i-tolerate mo yung disrespect. Stand up. And lastly, joke. May last pa dito sa baba. Ito na lang. Di ka gago, girl. You're absolutely right for leaving him. In fact, you should be proud of yourself for finally prioritizing your sanity. He didn't block her because he respected you, girl. He blocked her as a bargain chip to get you back. Since hindi ka na niya nakuha ulit, ayun, balik kay classmate. Are they in nursing school? Fine, let them be. You need to nurse your own mental health and get back the confidence he chipped away by calling you insecure. Thank you for your kind words. I'm happy that I got out of the toxic relationship and I hope another woman won't have the same experience as me. It's time to choose myself again. Ano to? Nung subject pa lang ng post mo, nabasa ko, sagot ko, yes. Ikaw yung gago. Haha, pero after reading the whole, di ka gago. My boyfriend and I have been together for 11 years now. May mga crush din kami. Dati, tabu pa yung topic na yun sa amin, pero we later realized na hanggang crush lang kami. Okay lang magka-crush, pero to act on it while you're in a relationship with another person is where you draw the line. So, alam naman natin yung sagot dito. Hindi siya gago for this question, no? Hindi talaga siya gago. But, gagong-gago siya sa part ng lagi siyang balik ng balik. Lagi pa rin niyang, wini-welcome open arms ang kuya mo. No? So, please, utang na loob, pag tayo maging ganito, kayo maging ganito. Bawal yan.